Hello, welcome to Blogging Mantra YouTube channel. In this video, I will share my Google secrets tips how I am getting traffic from Google, and this is my secret tips to grow your blog website. And before starting this video, I will just share my Udemy course. I just published one Udemy course, Secrets of Blogging. In this course, you will find some secret tips to increase website speed, to optimize your website for search engine, to drive consistent stream of free traffic, and secret tips to rank your website blog in Google's first page, and secret tips to write 100% on page SEO, secret tips to find content ideas, subtopics, and word length of post, and some another secrets tips I will include in future. So just pay 360 rupees in Indian rupees, and you can enroll for full lifetime access, and you can access my course on mobile or TV also, and get certificates after completion this course. So this course is 4 hours on demand video. If you have any doubt or you want some tips about blogging, so just comment me in below section so that I can upload another videos on this course. So just enroll this course, Udemy course. I will provide this link to you. Okay, so how I am getting traffic from Google. And right now my traffic, I just refresh my website Google Analytics account, so you will confident about I am getting 16 right now traffic in my website. Okay, so how I am rank, and what is the main secret to getting traffic, that type. So just go to Quora and make 4 to 5 account using Gmail, and every account you can publish some content like that. I have content like that, and you will find here is the total views daily basis. Okay, last all time I getting the 57,000 traffic in my website from Quora. So how I am writing the post in Quora, last 30 days I will just click 600 traffic in one account. So I just suggest you go and create Quora account with 4 or 5 account, and every account you can paste some article daily basis, 1 or 2 article in Quora. So you can get one account 500 traffic, so 4 account you can easily get traffic to 2000 or 3000 traffic per day, per month. Okay, so this is the unique idea to get traffic in your blog. So just go here. After creating Quora account, just go here. If your website is jobs related, just search in jobs and go to questions, and here is the list of questions asking by some user, and just click 1 or 2 questions, and just remember that here is the followers is more than 1000, then you can just put here answer, and this question is related to your website. Why do so many people hate their jobs? So just write one article here, or just copy and paste your article, your website link here. Just I am just opening my jobs website, and here you can write some article. So just go to your Quora's question and just search here, and you can find here the idea of, just open that questions and just you can just copy that content and just paste over here. And remember, here you can remove that URL, and here you can paste your website URL. Okay, just go here and just go to your website, click copy and go to your enter here, paste. Okay, and here also one URL, just copy that URL and just remove that URL, and here you can paste your own URL. Okay, research, here also go and paste here your own URL. Okay, and that's all. And here also you can put read more. Okay, just a minute. Here you can also write read, just a minute. Just a minute, something is wrong. And just post. Okay, so here you close. So this question will be read by 1800 people, and you will simply get a one traffic from here. So just user can click here, so move your website. Okay, so this is the simple idea to get traffic in your website. And this video is helpful. Just like this video and comment if you have any doubt. Okay, and also I suggest you just go to link and enroll this course. This course is very important if you really want to grow your blog in Google's first page. This course will be helpful for you. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.